Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hugh. In today's video, we'll be looking at the construction of the common internal tangent to two circles of different diameters. In the previous video, we looked at the construction of the common external tangent to two circles of different diameters. So perhaps you could visit that video after you've finished watching this one. At CAD with Mr. Hugh, we aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online, and we thank you for joining us. Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hugh. In today's video, we'll be looking at the common internal tangent to two circles of different diameters. In the previous video, we looked at the construction of the external tangent to two circles of different diameters. So we'll be starting the video now. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to draw a line. We're going to make sure that snap is on and ortho is on. All right. So the ortho function gives us the horizontal lines and vertical lines. If you're using your traditional instruments such as your T-square and set square, the horizontal line will be drawn with a T-square and pencil. The vertical line will be drawn with your T-square and a set square and a pencil. All right. In AutoCAD, we get our horizontal line, horizontal T-square line using the clicking the ortho function here, and the ortho function also gives us a vertical line. So when I click on this point here with my ortho, I'll only get vertical or horizontal lines as shown on the screen. So I need a horizontal line to represent my center line for my two circles. So I'll draw a horizontal line. All right. So we want a line that is 150 millimeters long, okay? So we go to a line command, we click here, and we type 150, enter, all right? Then I'm gonna center the drawing right here, okay? We're gonna zoom up. All right, so here we have our center line, sorry. The next thing we're gonna draw is our two circles, okay? So we're gonna go to the circle command. We're gonna click right here, and the circle, we're going to draw the circle into there. All right, we're going to put on the dimensions for the circle, right? So we're going to come up here to the annotation ribbon. We're going to come here, I'm going to select radius. I'm going to turn off snap so I can pick up the circle. I'm going to click on the circle. There's a radius 30, enter. All right, we're going to draw the next circle over here, okay? So we're going to go circle in the draw ribbon, and we're going to turn on snap, and I'm going to click here, click there, enter. All right, so that's our circle. All right, we're going to put on the radius on it. All right, so we're going to turn off snap so we can pick up the circle. I'm going to click here, there's a circle, radius 20, enter. All right. I'm going to put this radius 30 on the outside. I'm going to turn off ortho. Okay, good. All right, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to add the radius of the small circle to the radius of the larger circle, okay? I'm going to indicate the radius here, all right? So I'm going to click here. All right, that's 20, enter. I'm going to indicate the radius here too. All right, that's 30. All right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the radius on the outside. Good, like that. I'm going to put this radius 2 on the outside. All right, good. Now, I'm going to type D for short for dim style. I'm going to go to modify.
I'm just gonna make the dimensions on the radius a little bit bigger. So I'm gonna go to the fit tab. Here are the different tabs, and I'm gonna change from 1 to 2. I'm gonna press OK. Gonna close, and it should be bigger. Good. All right, now I'm gonna change the radius 20 here, and I'm gonna use this as, all right, so I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna go capital. This is R1. I'm gonna do the same thing over here, right? So I'm actually labeling the radius for the circle. All right, press OK. Right, so what you're gonna do, we're gonna add R1 plus R2 to draw a circle at center A. So I'm going to indicate, I'm going to go single line text. I'm going to choose right here. The height, I'm going to make it 4. Rotational angle would be 0. And this would be A, center A. This would be center B, okay? All right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to draw a circle that is equal to radius 50. So we'll go circle, but let us go again. So center is there. The diameter would be, let us enter R, enter. R would be for the radius, so we enter 50, enter. All right, so there it is. And we're going to indicate the radius here. So here it is going to turn off snap. I'm going to click on it, and there it is, radius 50. I'm going to put it right. No, I'm gonna move it. All right, so I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna move it and put it out here. All right, there. Okay, that's radius 50. All right, so I'm also going to indicate the radius with showing you how I got it. So this radius, put it right here. I would have to move the A, okay? So I'm gonna go again, move. Gonna turn off object snap. Select the object, press enter, click the base point and put it right there. All right, so I'm gonna change this. This will be R1 plus R2. Okay, so that's why I got the 50. Okay. All right, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna bisect the line AB. I made a video how to bisect a given line, so I'm gonna bisect the line AB. So perhaps you can visit that video if you want. All right, so we're gonna go arc, 3-point arc using start, center, end. So the start will be, we need to turn on snap. The start will be there. Or the length of the line was 150. We're going to indicate the 150. All right, so we're going to go line there to there. That's 100, right? But the first line that we drew was 150. So what we're going to do, we're going to draw an arc that is greater than half the distance of the line. So halfway the line would be 50. So we need a radius of about 70 millimeters. All right, let us move this out of the way and put it around here. All right, good. All right, so we're gonna bisect the line. So we're gonna go arc, center, start, in. So we'll go here.
We have come to the end of part 1 of 3 videos covering the topic how to construct the common internal tangent to two circles of different diameters. In the next video, part 2, we'll be continuing the construction of the internal tangent, and we hope to see you in that video. Please take care until we meet again. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.